Today I was going over Apollo and trying to set up views in database for performance optimization. I am in the place where I am trying to optimize database side things using views specifically, first views, and later optimizations come later, right? Apart from that, I'm just trying to see what all new stuff I can use in Apollo to do some different things like paginations in Apollo, and so there is a way where you can extend the pagination in Apollo. I will try out that also. Uh, and Optimistic update, I haven't still tried out yet. I will try that out also. Today I was able to successfully create a database view in Hasura also, and use array aggregation to optimize to get it in a form I want. So basically there are multiple joins that I go through, then how to flatten the data. I did that. I will expand on that. There's something also called flat partitioning the data if the table becomes too large. So I will check that how to do that also. Apart from that, I also came across something called Flick, Apache Flick, which is basically which can basically handle streaming data processing. So any high computing processing that needs to be done goes to Apache Flake. I have seen Netflix use it or something, but yeah, which is an interesting find. So I'll figure out how to use that. I'll just try that out how it works, and I'll probably using Docker or something, just to have an idea that such technology exists and how I can uh, try these things out. And I realized GraphQL and just Hasura and database is so powerful that slowing down might never be a problem again. Uh, so I always was skeptical that Hasura is slightly slow, but I guess it isn't a big problem if we use database structuring properly. So yeah, which is pretty amazing. I'll go through it a bit more and more how I can optimize that. Yeah, that is most of it, I guess. And I was going through a bunch of system design articles. I'm bad at two things which I'm really bad at, which is system design and DSA. I'm slightly good at DS front end. I'll not say I'm very good. I'm like average, but yeah, I want to become more and more better at it. Uh, yeah. So apart from that, if I would mention, like, I've been in this for 2 years. I can make a good performing React app, but still, I can slightly read React code. But the thing is, I want to understand it in a way that uh, I can fully understand its code, how it works internally. I sort of understand how it works internally with Fiber and everything I was reading there for the longest time. But I will put more effort, understand its architecture, and that will help me design better apps. Just how fundamentals work, right? I feel my fundamentals are still weak. I can work more on them. However, like uh, to average person, yes, I might have been doing more, but I still feel I can do more and more. Yeah, so Apollo also has another thing called incremental fetching. I have to also figure out how to do that. It has also used suspense fetch. I'll also have to see that. But yeah, I want to share all of that. What I'm learning, I'll have to figure out a way to do that also, which I'm not going to do. So I'm just waiting on figuring some stuff out regarding sharing content, making different kind of content. For example, I want to do hands-on content, so I have to figure out how to do that also. Let's see how that goes. mm, a lot of things to figure out. I also want to organize a bit. Too much chaos, but yeah, I'll figure it out. Yeah, so that's it. That is my devlog today, playing with Hasura, Postgres, Apollo, just trying out bunch of stuff, and also meanwhile using Vim, practicing Vim simultaneously. Yeah, so that's about it for today. Yeah, that's it.